bit of a weird one. It came in here with intermittent non-start. Did a diagnosis on it, couldn't find any faults, changed the battery, programmed the battery, everything seemed good to go. Vehicle went out, within about an hour it came back in, doing the same thing. Did a bit of digging, bit of investigation, and obviously started at the battery that we just replaced, having a look at the terminals, make sure everything looked okay, and I could feel, this is obviously your top positive fuse box, well, battery fuse board, whatever you want to call it, junction box. You've got two cables that bolt onto here. This sits on the battery positive terminal like so, and then you've got connectors that plug in the bottom of it and run off to feed your various components, fuse boxes, etc., starter motor, what have you. Now I could feel that the far right one, the one that you can see is that's melted a bit, it was getting red hot. I could feel it red hot here. Now if you look underneath, you can see it's burnt. The connector's burnt. That pin's slightly twisted as well. I'm not sure if that's from the heat or whether that's how it's meant to be. And then we have the original connector that was in it. Look at the state of that. Completely burnt, melted all the way through. We didn't break that, that was just like that. And then if you have a look at the green corroded cables at the back, completely green corroded, high resistance. It's obviously cooked that cable and melted it all the way through. So what we're going to have to do is obviously get a replacement BF module, battery fuse box module, whatever this is called, battery fuse box, which we're trying to get from Nissan, but they can't seem to direct us in the right direction. They can't seem to find which part this is or where it sits. They can't find it in their catalogue, so we're waiting on them to get back in touch. Been to the breaker's yard, and I've got the black connector, which is the same as a brown one from another Nissan Juke, but it's a different version, so it didn't have the same fuse box, etc. But all we needed was this connector and another clean pin with some wiring. So obviously we're going to have to cut this, join them together, solder them, clamp them, crimp them, whatever we need to do. That will then solve this connection issue out, and then we need to wait for the new battery fuse box to arrive, and then we will be able to see what the situation is and hopefully get this issue resolved. But this is generally due to high resistance, and it's, as you can see, it's clearly melted there. So yeah, just wanted to point that out in case anyone else was having intermittent non-start issues with this vehicle, with the Nissan Juke 2016 1.5 DC, I believe this one is. But as you can see, yeah, if you're having intermittent issues, you want to be checking these connectors, because yeah, that's just terrible. Not sure how that's happened, but not good. Anyway, thanks for watching.